A legal opinion, review and analysis. Outline. A legal opinion is an opinion that has its basis in law through which courts operate. Various kinds of legal opinions differ depending on their supporters as well as their specific countries of origin, resulting in different kinds of information altogether. In the United Kingdom, as well as other countries, making use of common law, legal opinions refer to the advice on the law given by a barrister or a law officer holding a senior position in government. Examples of legal opinions from which information is derived include dissent, majority, concurring, and plurality legal opinions. Information contained in a legal opinion. According to Posner, a legal opinion is an explanation written by judges to accompany the ruling of cases, stating principles of law as well as the rationale on which their ruling was based. For opinions to be published, there must be a direction by the court, and they should state what the law constitutes and reasons for a particular decision by judges. The purpose of legal opinions is to overturn, change, reinforce, and establish legal precedent. Once the law court passes an opinion for publication, it gets included in one of the volumes of law reports. In the United States, it is referred to as reporters, while legal opinions that have been published are collectively called case law, which is a major source from which law is referred, and the legal systems of common law. However, a legal opinion can also be from attorneys, and it contains different information from that of judges. An attorney's legal opinion contains a formal statement to the client showing what a lawyer considers law, how it's interpreted by courts, and how it applies to a client's circumstances. The information contained in legal opinions also varies according to their different types. They include the majority opinions applied in law, which are opinions by the judiciary supported by most court members. This particular legal opinion shows what a court has decided and explains the principles upon which the court bases its decision. Another kind of legal opinion is the dissenting that gives information on how judges disagree with the court's majority opinion and how it has been judged. This particular opinion is not included in case law but regarded as authority that is persuasive, in cases where it argues about the overturning or limitation of courts' holdings. However, a dissent is sometimes used to fix some changes in the legal system where a majority opinion is written regarding the same law that in earlier cases dissent had cited. More information on legal opinion can be derived from plurality opinions written by justices in an appellate court, showing rejection of an opinion by the majority and leaving it to be determined by a court's plurality. In this case, the legal opinion shows a lack of support by half the number of justices in court, but it is highly supported compared to other opinions in court at that particular time. A legal concurring opinion written by judges shows the support given by the court's majority, though in a quite different manner. Different reasons for supporting a particular opinion are given, reflecting the basis on which those judges make decisions. In cases where an opinion lacks a court's majority support, concurring opinions form the court's decisions. Information of a legal opinion can also be derived from a legal memorandum opinion, which is an opinion by judges but does not form a part of persuasive, precedent, or mandatory. A legal memorandum opinion gives announcements of case judgments, but its acceptance in case law depends on the kind of decision. Case law in which some of the legal opinions are cited refers to rules as well as principles of law, formulated in legal opinions from the law courts. In some cases, some particular information is deleted so as to have business information that is confidentially protected, and is therefore put in brackets.